आपका
इसमें बता दें कि ये इसमें ये बात अलग है कि इसमें लिखा है या नहीं लिखा। हमारी मैंडेट कैन बी फॉर्म वेदर वी विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इफ वी विल डू दिस।
आपकी मैंडेट विद utmost respect sir, the mandate of this court cannot go beyond 191A3, but your lordship can always pass a judicial order.
Right now there is a demarcation of jurisdiction. ठीक है ना, 191A में कहा जितने भी
आप आंसर दें सारे बातों जितने क्वेश्चन आपसे किए एक एक करके आपको पूरा चांस मिलेगा।
ये देख लीजिए
आप 2-3 दिन ले लें, लेकिन
मैं दूंगा सर, बिल्कुल आपको आपकी इजाजत से क्वेश्चन नोट कर रहा हूँ।
जी आप कर ले। माय क्वेश्चन इज स्टिल कन्फाइंड टू दैट,
आपकी लिमिट जुरिडिक्शन इज कन्फाइंड,
जुरिडिक्शन का इशू है।
आई विल एड्रेस माय लॉर्डशिप्स आंसर,
दैट इज द क्वेश्चन
सर। देन इमीडिएटली मे आई कम टू द फुल कोर्ट लेटर के जस्ट होगा 191A पढ़ते हैं सर आपकी इजाजत से। Am I with you, officer? 191A. There shall be constitutional benches of the Supreme Court. Kindly see, benches of the Supreme Court, comprising such judges of the Supreme Court and for such term as may be nominated and determined by the Judicial Commission of Pakistan from time to time, provided that the constitutional benches may comprise equal number of judges from each province. The most senior judge among judges nominated under Clause 1 shall be the most senior judge of the constitutional bench. Number 3. No bench of the Supreme Court other than a constitutional bench shall exercise following jurisdictions vesting in the Supreme Court. May I, with apology, repeat this again, sir. No bench of the Supreme Court other than a constitutional bench shall exercise following jurisdictions vested in the Supreme Court: original jurisdiction under Article 184, appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Clause 3 of Article 184, where a judgment or order of a High Court involves the constitutionality of any law or substantial question of law as to the interpretation of the Constitution; advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court under Article 186. 4. For the purpose of Clause 3, a bench consisting of not less than 5 judges to be nominated by a committee comprising the most senior judge of the constitutional benches and next two most senior judges from amongst the judges nominated in Clause 1 shall hear and dispose of such matters. All petition appeals or review application against judgments rendered or orders passed to which Clause 3 applies, pending or filed in the Supreme Court prior to the commencement of the Constitutional 26th Amendment Act of 24, will forthwith stand transferred to the constitutional benches and shall only be heard and decided by benches constituted under Clause 4. Notwithstanding anything contained in Constitution but subject to law, judges nominated on Clause 1 may make rules regulating practice and procedure of the constitutional benches.